Mariin na isinusulong ng Pilipinas sa nagpapatuloy na ASEAN-Philippines 2026 ang pagsasagawa ng Enhanced Memorandum of Understanding ng power grid ng mga bansang kasapi ng Intergovernmental Organization. Isa ang ASEAN Energy Interconnectivity sa Priority Economic Deliverables o PEDs na inihanda ng Pilipinas upang magkaroon ng energy security sa rehiyon at bilang bahagi na rin ng ASEAN chairship ng bansa ngayong taon. Ayon kay Department of Trade and Industry Undersecretary for International Trade Alan Hepty, tiyak na makakatulong ang energy interconnectivity sa mga ASEAN member states.
As energy security is regional security, one PED we have is advancing ASEAN energy interconnectivity through the operationalization of the Enhanced Memorandum of Understanding on ASEAN Power Grid. This PED will not only help address pressing energy security challenges, but also drive ASEAN closer to its vision of having a fully interconnected, modernized, and sustainable energy landscape. Indeed, we must work together to maintain stability in the region's energy supply by strengthening cooperation across our energy networks, improving connectivity across supply chains, and ensuring the continued openness of maritime routes that are vital to global trade and energy flows.
Sa kabuuan ay mayroong 19 na inihanda ang Pilipinas na Priority Economic Deliverables na siyang ihahain sa 32nd ASEAN Economic Ministers Retreat na tutugon sa mga bagong trabaho, agrikultura, MSMEs, strategic trade management at artificial intelligence sa rehiyon. Para sa ASEAN Philippines 2026 update ng Bombo Radyo, mula rito sa International Media Center sa BGC Taguig City, nag-uulat Star DJ German ng 102.7 Star FM Manila. And this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!